So once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yo, we're going to make the experiment 12, which is the NAND gate as universal gate. Okay, let's start. Going to make the circuit 1. So NAND gate as a buffer. So I draw a circuit here, and we're going to execute this circuit. First, let's connect it to data switch 0, and connect it to the input, the 1 and 2 input, pin 1 and 2, and the output goes to another input, another NAND gate input. That's the buffer, and we're going to connect the output to LED 1. And let's test. Okay. And let's see if it's work. See. For the circuit 2, we're going to make a NAND gate as an inverter. Simply pull this out, move this inverter for A, then here the switch, output goes to also LED 1 as it is. Testing. So 0 dapat high siya, then 1 dapat low siya. Okay. If high signal, dapat off ang LED. Okay. Next, we're going to make a NAND gate as an AND gate. Just in this case, we're going to need two input, which is the D0 and the D1. The output of pin 3 goes to input of the other gate, which is pin 4 and 5. So the outputs and the gate 2 of pin 6 will go to LED 1 as it is. Let's see if it works. Okay. No, so we need to make the data switch high, the D0 and the D1 high to make the LED light on. That's it. See, that's the NAND gate as an AND gate. That's okay. So next, we're going to make a NAND gate as an OR gate. So based on the drawing schematic, we're going to use 3 NAND gates. So first the D0 D0 of input, connect sa input, then sa input. Tara. Next, D0, I'm going to put it to input, then the output pin 6 goes to input for the gate 3, and then the output of the gate 3 goes to LED 1. So this is an OR gate using AND gates. So let's test if it works. So dapat on siya na then if isa raya to ang switch, dapat on siya. So if both high ang data switch, dapat off siya. Normally. Okay, that's it. So other test, if both are high, so dapat on siya, and if off, both dapat off ang LED. That's how the OR gate works using the NAND gates. So next, we're going to create an NOR gate. NOR gate na sana to ang using NAND gates. Tungkol sa ito niya ang power supply. Ang gano'n ito, gano'n. So for the D1, D0, same gihapon siya connect, then ang output goes to input, the other side D1 goes to input, doon sa output na po, input na po, then output for the pin 6 goes to input of gate 3. Gate 3 ba? Okay, sakto. Then the output of gate 3 goes to gate 4, which is kani siya pin number 13 goes to input pin number 13 and 12, and the output pin number 11 goes to LED 1. Okay, that's it. So test how it works. Okay, NOR gate, NOR gate, NOR gate should on when both switches is off or in low position. Okay, so dapat off siya if high ang D0, and if both high dapat off, then high ang D1 off, on if both low position. So that's how the NOR gate using the AND gate works. So next, we're going to make the NAND gate as an XOR gate. So let's make this output goes to both inputs of two gates. input of two gates. Then the input here goes to input here goes to input here, output ay no. Output goes to input here, output goes to input here, output goes to one test. So okay, then 10 dapat 1, then 11 dapat 0. That's how it works for the exclusive OR gate or NAND as an XOR gate. So next, we're going to create the XNOR gate. Namura need upuan.